up, guys?
All right, we're gonna get the front drums off. Multi-piece bearings, so make sure they don't fall apart. There it is. Oh yeah, puppy. All right, that's off. So these look pretty new as well, but look at the wear on this side. We may want to discuss a set of shoes. Front shoes anyway, because that's getting thin. That's not as thin, but that's getting real thin. So, what do you think, Mr. Burns?
I agree.
So we'll get ready to pull this apart. You want to go to the other side?
Yep.
Let's go to the other side. Get everything off. Burnsy.
Oh, yeah. All right, ready?
Yep. Good bearing.
Come on.
There you go. Okay, so that wheel cylinder looks fairly new as well. But look at this. There's like no wear on this side, or hardly any anyway. Do you think that he was basically stopping on the front and mostly on the left front at this point? Like, things weren't adjusted, nothing was proportioned right, what have you.
Left, right, up, down.
Yep.
Yeah.
Left is right, right is left, blah, 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 blah.
Well, see, we were getting no fluid before out of the bag.
Yeah, so that wouldn't, trust me, I would not be shocked if it was stopping on one of the four wheels.
Well, I'd say this one was like probably right behind it, but I bet it was pulling just to the left a little bit.
Mm-hmm. So it was definitely left front was our primary. So what we'll do is we'll make sure everything's adjusted. We'll get it dialed in. For future reference, shocks and bushings, all the suspension components here. You might want to start thinking about doing this stuff in the future. But, all right. So wheel cylinders.
Yay.
And the adjusters are going to get done.
Clean these just like I did to the rear.
Yep, and then we'll get it kind of adjusted, and I think first thing in the morning, we'll bleed it.
Heck yeah.
So get it all together tonight, and then first thing in the morning, we'll knock her out. Nice! All right, we got a game plan.
There we go.